Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner beauty. I want to tell you that you are beautiful, you're gorgeous, you're handsome, intoxicatingly beautiful. It is radiating on the outside because everything you've been working on the inside, character carving, making sure certain attributes of your attitude or emotions, they are not carried into your future, not into your present. The old you have outlived that, you have outgrown that. I open my eyes, open my heart, and direct my gaze into the light within every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man, but beauty and goodness are in the image of God. And once you see how you transform, you can actually look in the gates of the soul, which are the eyes part, and you can see the beauty with everyone else. It's not just the appearance of the body, it's also you're seeing the energy and the energy of the soul. What reflects on the inside is what reflects on the outside. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself, I love you too.